All right, so this morning, yeah, the exclusive news, Abramu, on this very channel. And now, yeah, they two him say, yeah, picking info be from the camp of Asante Kotoko concerning Coach Ogum and the club no. After Enra, the PMO Ewo, a year, Kotoko game of boy against nations, Na yanyan NTS. At the end of 90 minutes, pressure be brave by IMC from some of the supporters concerning Kotoko and the fact that they believe say a nyoma entimi ansesa a bad thing for Kotoko to perform and perform well. Now I remember news in the air, na ebi said there be na in some way the moko fe free him fa and amodiaba anopai. But the catcher must say yempema nkopem se no nsia bebo no na enioma mu etimi ada ho ama asem no bibia no kre ne da no eba abeda abonten ama ye nyina yetimi ehu. I remember making that statement emphatically. Na from an opana besi sabre nkomo bebra akoso but na esempeni for take your more time kakra. Na around 4:30 and officially club a make announcement a post here on the Facebook page, and there's the statement or say Asante Kotoko has this afternoon, or Asante Kotoko Sporting Club has this afternoon parted company with head coach Prosper Nete Ogum. Na se Asante Kotoko na wie kan sisudia e de akire wiase nyina se ona na head coach Ogum omontem etimi atete. This decision was reached following a constructive discussions between both parties with a shared understanding that it is in the best interest of the club at this time. Obi wa show me video whether inside Kotoko or Porcupine Stand and me catch you say this discussion is after a meeting. Koso. Now in the meeting, there were a lot of conversations. Meeting to TAR. What kind of say this decision was reached following a constructive discussions between both parties with a shared understanding that is in the best interest of the club at this time. So our kind of catcher say Kotoko de making the position clear to coach FN Ogum. Say coachy Ejumano yentimi no onye. But after coach tries Obe explaining issues to the leadership of Asante Kotoko. Sources ni bini information ni we picking a crash say Kochi at some point in time krana na or try so to just matches miensa bi da Asante Kotoko enim matches ya make kan wasemi Kotoko game on ball against Diana Stars. Next home game Aduana had to folk and a club a friend Brekum Chelsea. On the side show Aduana had to folk Brekum Chelsea. Na ka coach nyaya ka sa matches and nine na ababe nyina so pa e wo discussion aseno ye de ball no kwadu anampani for the ball no kwadu se sa matches no ne modern bona so ani Heart of Lions deɛ ne ka ho Bechem United deɛ ne say edimu tintiman pa na wanya Accra Lions 3-0 no ɛno deɛ sɛ yɛde no kura ka asɛm a na sɛ no ɛbɛbiri kuru no ɛno deɛ ɛbɛbiri kuru no pa ɛna ɛnra Nations 2-0 no because wɔ mpanimfo nkomodie mu no ɔmo hu ne sɛ Heart of Lions team no yes Mando difficult grounds there. But no mo hwɛ sɛ ne nkwala ntɔtɔfe wa no. Esifa edi Asante Kotoko ho agro. Bobo ne to ha. Na wadane na to ha. Na mpanifo nse debi. Ase se saa na money beto aso dia. Se 3 points no ne 1 point no ho hia chen bibia. Na se saa na money beto aso a. Wan hwe yi na matches ni edi anim na heading. So Kotoko, after the Heart of Lions game, had a technical meeting with Adakwejat, and I think it was on a Thursday and a Sunday, and a Kotoko Bichiment. That objection about said Debbie. They are not really demanding total football or total control over the game from Kotoko. By all times, you dominate the game in few occasions. But America Krana will dominate the game clearly. You are more purposeful and effective. Actually, I say, what you want to crabia who de koya adie. But what jena untimi passe mienu miensa entimi nko create chance ni asaje bo na firi unsem. Near the tata wa we born wons when you 1 point there. But as a sad and answer, I had that crowd be share obia. Ne ho ha or jebo ni be free some nim the other and one she yana wow. So they applauded the manager after the Heart of Lions game, but they asked him to please try and improve on that aspect. Send your beggar. Other matches no year 2 years after chita for no mbeba omuko fiom ni bibi na eko plus the 3 points and town community try and Kotoko kobo against a year Bechemu after Heart of Lions there now and the score ending in a draw. Honestly, that was also a game clearly you can say that Bechem United dominated Asante Kotoko. Nti nejuada and I'm penning for signing coach Kotana say on a coach Becca said that in 70 beer a ya Kotoko bobo yeah about on team free a chita from penning for nibi hono and sem fata na san sem no the unnecessary pressure e the bad team no so nti whilst in penning for a pe bibia free ni hono ono so sere koto kire e ye penning for so omo bon homo pa na sansem no omuntwitwa so to be steady a and then Kotoko this statement ba bonten ebe ma wiase nyina hu se coach na o ye omadwuma no wo mota na chi den wo akwani ase nyina so just to make things clear to the supporters to release the pressure. So even on a match day they came out to throw their support to the head coach and it's a Accra Lion sankoye ne 3 tie hono and I mean tie kire me se mpanifo started say omo pebo ba bi no omo de omo nan esi so na emo omo pebo ba de omo nan esi so no match na be koso abrankese na be kire se omo nkoso anhwehwe obi na omo beto aso ana se omo nya gidie we manager no eno so na kire se ekoye mienu tie no ade omo hia ene de na akoye se sa nkomo ye didi a say no man ultimatum. I'll make it clear. At no point in a Kotoko coach Ogum say win these 3 matches or you are out. Nemo now komodidi na koswama o mama coach na say o mani nje en modern mona wodi gu akwan mu no. Na ho behia se obesesa se Kotoko person odi kuruwa na de ho behia se obesesa. Because at some point in time no na mpanifo person me na clear say who be yansa Kotoko be remain competitive. Eda so league ni nkomo Kotoko be wo mu a. Na nkoye se Kotoko free league ni na de ni da so nyine kogu FA Cup no. Se also na FA Cup na mfa na se season abawie ye ntem. Enti yenkurekure mu a na bia se ye 2 points kura na ye between Kotoko and Go Stars. And Sunny about Kobo FA Cup now against Chelsea na ni akobo. Ti say no FA Cup now it means about because 2 points a day. And Kotoko will play the FA Cup semi-final before they will play Gold Stars. So if they maintain it at 2 points, then we me accuse any year the ni break ko baby any akoshe Gold Stars. Na kwaya to say league na free club na nsa na okobo Chelsea de na. Na say Chelsea de na amfape the season is over. Nti coach aware. To kind say after a constructive discussion between both parties with a shared understanding that this is the best interest of the club at this time. We thank Coach Ogum for his dedication and his service to the club. We wish him the best in his future endeavors. Into us steady year, we enya Kotoko awo tro se wapamu coach no. We di omo mana kweye te se omo any coach ni nyina konti asiema ko bankruma hu se da bi. Ebre na aduru no. Club ne future ne ntoaso e wo ne o ma esi nani so no. Say omuntem etimitete. Inti don't forget say yenya ne ntie say Coach Ogum wo ho no. He was being admired by a big job. There was a big job omo admire Coach Ogum pa. So the club also want to end it on a nice note without creating any form of yo waya bia inti na ne de ashawa kama so yeni coach no. And as you see, yati ya mwasi ya yenyina yeje adwuma na to. Nti yenkoye sake. We urge our supporters to remain calm and continue to support the club during this transition. Future updates will be communicated in due course. Nese Asante Kotoko twaso aka kire na chita for say omoma abotoyem embra wo mudwumadie nu. Obia enya abotre ewo ne nkomodie nu ene ne dwumadie mu. Emma ebufuo bi emba, emma yente ase bi emba, ene yempene bi emba, obia enya abotre. Na ntotoya aka no club no be dan na di e di ama chitaafo ne obia ma obia enya ntiase mapa. Minhwehwe mu kire se Asante Kotoko kuo no enim coach awoba. Ahwehwemu no kura kire se empema nkopisi ukuwa dade na mpanimfuo mienu a omu dip tintiman a omu besom firi sabre kopem se season bebe awiye no omo ne omo ano baabaye ebebe awiye kama ama hontoma pa no atimi abaso na so mbepom hontoma. But that is not why we are here this afternoon. Whether you are listening to us on Inside Kotoko or on Porcupine Stand, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, the news is out there. Kotoko, I'm making it clear, say, Omodo BBS, Omoda Coach Ogum. A big thank you, and Omodiama coach. I know there will be a lot of discussions as to whether it was a good decision or was a right decision. Whether after this decision, can Kotoko, within this 6 points range, still do everything possible to win the league? And I know say it will still be a big conversation. Based on the remaining matches in the Ghana Premier League. Don't forget say Gold Stars because Chelsea. So if Chelsea at this point, the Ebesiani say Kotoko need to try as much as possible. The game no only Gold Stars, but body there. Obetimi akwa Gold Stars. That is one. Now your game against Adriana, you must win. Your game against Heart of Folk, you must win. So how much is in then you beat Chelsea in the semi-final of the FA Cup. And some other ones are twaso. To at least keep your hope in the FA Cup. So it's a long shot. Because a long shot, and I say, but send ye tie canon, a bre and a betre. Time will definitely justify whether this decision is a good decision or not. For the fans expressing their opinion, it's all over. What you say? As usual, you know, sir, there'll be divided attention. Kotoko official YouTube or Facebook page. over 300 comments. Your more wamu chada pa omo to be edemane the IMC. Oshasi also be actual you just clap. How can you sack a coach with 6 matches to go? And all this shaking my head aba. Onu hu ne say and 7 fatase aka matches in sia. Na ye this season nyina aba na wie ye ho. And now beja coach kwan say untimi ene ne nya adwuma biem. That is his understanding of the game. Obi so say all the best doctor. Neso obi so beba na waba beda eye coach Ogum ase e wo modern bo awabo. Obi so beba ba be kan oh thank you wa sandodo. Neso obi so say there be yenda eye oda management na ase. Because coach na wo ye adwuma no ne bre kura se wodi no wadi bre na broso because ne modern bo no e wo form papa obi se awrade me dawase ne se obi so de awrade ase se coach no ye ja no kwan obi so be ba tro club ya remain supreme ne se akwani asa nyina aso no ye nhwe de se fata Asante Kotoko Asante Kotoko din no de beboa ma team no atimi atumpon no ene ne ye nhwe na yemfa emma eye club no eno so yo no so dia wode ebayo enti as usual lots of comment me to aso na obi so dia ba say Sika Akono should be our next coach. Sika Akono onye our next coach we say kase easy to what you say na obi so abetro tease 10 he's raising issues about signing of players are Kotoko mo kwan as a result of Ogum coming in. Obisi also good luck, coach. We wish you well in your future endeavors. Obisi come to us. You say no. They never appreciated your effort. Yes, we say a house in here. Or no so chere na adwen say Kotoko na Ogum ba na one free say Asante Kotoko na nkasa anse na nji Ogum antum. Modern bar of a boy at the mark club. You know that social media will be blazing. There's a special video on what has happened on social media, bro. But that's something similar. Social media is blazing. Almost everybody is sharing their opinion concerning how everything is going in terms of Ogum staying at Kotoko and Ogum leaving Asante Kotoko. Initially, now I expect to think about the entire technical team based on news about earlier. But we share info here by the entire technical team, no. And you better train for further communication, just like we said. Kotoko say all konenim no or the insempi FR7 ebeba thing. That means he's going to communicate to all of us concerning this issue and what will happen. Into a day, Tiawa, obesi too. You confirm what the Yebekan and Opano. You know that when it comes to a porcupine standing inside Kotoko dia, now it's associated with Seobed dia. There's news no a Kotoko nkwa dia. Unim says Seobed. Baby, I may urako fabani. You be urako faba. I know a lot of you be waiting for my opinion on this particular issue. Don't forget, we will definitely bring the opinion. A bit trance. Na ya pensing semunum na ye di adwen chere mapa. Efa semi ediaba. Don't I'll definitely drop my opinion on this particular conversation. But for now, the Enfa news, embro. So, I don't know. You can feel free to also drop your comment. Our comment section, I say. So I say, also bet me the comment about our comment section. I say, do you support or you also think this decision is a wrong decision? SN nipa bi church or Facebook. You better share you. Bye bye.